Going over the trades on the day, the 50K and 200K were up today. The 200K was up about 650 per contract, still one position open on the ES. That is the 200K portfolio, and the 50K portfolio was up about 1,200 today per unit. And I'll show you the trades, some really good trades and some bad trades in the energy. So let's go over the good trades first. Cobra 3 profit target plus 1375. Cobra gap continuation 2020 NQ 1310. Those are the good trades in the 50K portfolio. I've renamed my workspaces down here to consolidate the naming. Still the same strategy. So let's go over the energy trades on the day, and let's go with crude oil. So these are the strategies that really struggled on the day. SR counter trend 2 and 4, which are in the 50K portfolio, minus 825 each. Cobra crude was profitable, but on the 200K we had all 6 of these strategies trade, and so minus $3,300 on those 4, and then plus 770 on these 2. So energies were tough. Let's go over the rest of the energy trades on the day. No trades in natural gas. RBOB was a loser too in the 200K, minus 827.20. So the energies were down on the day. So that's what hurt our big gains in the 200K. And then on gold, we didn't have any trades in gold. So big move in gold, pretty big move, 22 points, no trades. Silver, no trades. Copper, no trades. And then euro plus 231.25. Soybeans was a nice day. We continue the winning streak. One of the highlights. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the last 5 trades are winners. The 5th trade back here was a break-even stop. So plus 550 in soybeans day trader 3. SR counter trend 2 short entry plus 275 on the day. And we have, let's go over the rest of the strategy. So let's start back here with NQ2. These were the big winners on the day as well. These are in the more aggressive strategies like micro aggressive and the all 78. Huge day, one of the biggest days in the NASDAQ since May. Just a blow off trend, and just looks like one of those surprise trends. You know, it's trending. The market has been trending down for 9 days, and then 1, 2 days right below these highs, and then boom, gap up and go to new highs. Kind of a surprise, shocking trend. You know, amidst news that's not great. Afghanistan's not great. Geopolitical events don't seem to affect the markets. But the taper, the potential taper, is the Fed going to taper? Obviously, the market has much of this rally has been based on easy money from the Fed, and so it's hard to imagine that once that's withdrawn, that once the easy money goes away, that this market's going to see that as a positive sign. But we'll see. You know, we'll see. I think that once we have the real taper in place, the market will sell off. But until that taper's in place, the market's going to act like it's not, maybe. And so you see huge gains, plus 29.50, plus 39.80 on the breakouts. PR breakout plus 675, tick wave plus 33.50, plus 42.60 on VSD long only, VSD long short plus 42.55. Same trade, really, no shorts, nothing went short there. Just a blow off day. EVP1, huge day, plus 33.85. Gap continuation 2019 plus 13.10. Cobra 3, big stop loss with the profit target plus 13.75. Viper 2008 plus 180. In Q, just these 3 strategies. Cobra 3, no profit target plus 835. Cobra 3 with a profit target plus 1375. And then gap continuation plus 1310. And ES2, tick wave plus 950. VSD long only plus 2012. Tick fader minus 625. And then ES, we had Cobra 3 plus 187.50 without the profit target version plus 575. Adaptive moving average plus 612.50. 60-minute breakout. Hit his profit target at the open if you held that over the weekend, and then plus 362.50 on this open trade. It's holding an open position today. And so those are the stock index trades. We've already gone over crude oil and natural gas, RBOB. We've already gone over gold, silver, copper, euro, soybeans. And then we go to exhaust and reverse, no trades. And then we have the optional and old strategies. You see those are some capturing this runaway trend now that we had. We talked about the concept that the market has more choppy days. If you get the normal distribution, 70 to 80% of days are choppy, and 20 to 30% of days are trendy. And with that, you get normal chop and normal trend. But then we've had like 90 to 95% choppy days in the past month, and we maybe have 5 to 10% trend days. And so the choppy days are choppier and longer, and the trendy days are trendier and much trendier and fewer of. And so we get this break from the norm, from what I'm seeing, more choppy days and less trendy days. And then so it's the concept of the longer the chop, the bigger the breakout. And that's what we are seeing in this market, is that just test your patience to have such choppy days, because choppy days tend to be random. It's hard to come up with good strategies that capture wins on really choppy days, and then it becomes a day like today where it's just so easy, and you don't you can't ever you'll always not always, but the market, once it if it chops enough, it'll eventually give away an easy trend. That seems to be the case throughout history. And so it's a matter of waiting through the chop to get to the trend. And today was a very trendy day. The All 78 and the aggressive micro did really well capturing these moves. And we'll have the final results. But again, the 200K up a little bit, the 50K up in 1200. And so those are the trades on the day. That's the results for Monday, August the 23rd, 2021. We have 6 trading days left. We have the rest of this week and 2 days next week.